3 Indian Air Force officers have been sacked for the accidental firing of a BrahMos missile into Pakistan earlier this year, the government has said. The Indian Air Force in its statement has said a BrahMos missile was accidentally fired on the 9th of March this year. A court of inquiry set up to establish the facts of the case, including fixing responsibility for the incident, found that the deviation from the standard operating procedures by 3 officers led to the accidental firing of the missile.